Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we go about locating the missing tools labeled hcxdumptool and hcxpcaptool. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is the app update. Let's go ahead and see if we can get that in here. Let's go ahead and run through the update real quick. Now there are some dependencies that both of these tools have to have, and we're going to install those dependencies as well, and we'll see if that works. Alright, so let's go ahead and now install the dependencies that we need for this particular lab. Alright. And I'll say yes. So it looks like it's doing a pretty good job of installing the dependencies. Now we're going to have to do some cloning here. So we're going to clone the hcxtools from GitHub, all right, along with their binaries. All right, so let's go ahead and get that done. Go ahead and get this into the command line here. And that worked. All right, so now we're going to switch on over to the location of the hcxtools. Now we're into that folder. Now we're going to compile those hex tools and see what we get here. Okay, so let's do a little compiling. Oh, that worked. Now let's clone the hcxdumptool and compile its binaries. Okay, so let me go ahead and clear my screen here, and we're going to do another git clone. Alright. That worked without any grief. Once again, we'll need to change on over to our download directory. Go ahead and get this thing moved on over. And we're there. Alright, now we're going to again compile this distro along with all of its binaries. Let's go ahead and get that done. And we're back to the prompt. Alright, so everything turned out okay. We're going to take a look and see if we have these tools available to us. Alright, let's see if we can locate this hcxdumptool. Alright, to do this, we're going to use the which command. So I've typed in which, give it a space, hcxdumptool. Let's see if it comes up with anything. And so using the which command, followed by the tool that we're looking for, the hcxdumptool, we find that it is located where it is supposed to be located, inside of the bin folder. Well, hopefully this will solve the issue of the missing tools that people need for this wireless lab. If you have any questions, you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.